Is it working? Can you hear anything? No? Can you hear a little bit? Okay, it's the last presentation of today, so let's try to keep it very interesting so that we still have a little bit energy left for today. So anyway, I will be introducing a little bit about Oilon company and what Oilon is doing, what is our future view, and what kind of services and products Oilon is offering. So just very generally, Oilon is a 60-year-old family company, privately owned. We are manufacturing burners and heat pumps. We have about 400 employees and a turnover around 90 million euros. Oilon has 5 factories, so we are manufacturing combustion systems, burners, and then we are manufacturing heat pumps. We have 3 factories for burners and 2 factories for the heat pumps. We have a burner factory in our headquarters in Lahti. Then we have a burner factory in Wuxi, and then we have a burner factory in Thomasville, Georgia. And the heat pumps we are manufacturing in the central part of Finland and the north part of Finland. Oilon is operating globally every continent. We have partners and offices globally almost everywhere, so we will provide basically services and sales in every continent and every country. We have at least one partner that we operate with. Oilon general vision is, of course, solving the sustainability puzzle. So climate change, we have products to attack those issues, and that's our mission, is to provide the most sustainable combustion systems and heat pump equipment. So we have 2 types of heat pumps. We have the residential side, commercial market ground source heat pumps, real estate ground source heat pumps, and then we have industrial heat pumps. Unique thing about the industrial heat pumps is that we are basically one of the only companies in the world who can produce 120 degrees hot water. So that is a very unique ability, and it will also allows us to access the process industry with heat pumps. So we are able to recover heat from 30 degrees hot water and raise it up to 120 degrees, which is basically only technology in the world that can be producing this. With combustion systems, which we are focusing today, is we have one of the largest capacity range in the world and also lowest emission range in the world for these burners. So we will go from 100 kilowatt up to 90 megawatt with our burners, and we have also supplied some 100 megawatt burners for some special applications. So almost all the capacity range that is needed. Unique thing about Oilon, looking at is that we have a selection tool, which is a configurator, and it is up-to-date, in-house made, so that we are keeping updating that all the time. It's a very efficient tool for any of our partners to select the product, whether it's heat pump or burner, and you are also able to get quotation and prices through that. So if you are our dealer, you are able to provide quotation in 10 minutes for your customer with correct products and all the technical details. This you cannot find from any other competitors globally, selection tool up to date like this. Our focus on the combustion technology is in ultra LowNOx combustion, both large and small capacities. I will a little bit introduce those products in soon. Hydrogen and P2X fuels are coming more and more popular. So Oilon has 20 years experience on combusting hydrogen, both hydrogen mixtures, but also 100% hydrogen, which is becoming more and more hot topic nowadays. Another thing we focus is the biofuels, biogases and bio-oils. We have been doing that also quite a long time, more than 30 years. We have been supplying different types of biofuels, and we have also in Finland renewable energy laboratory where we are testing this. So we are very common with biofuels. At the same time, of course, multi-gas burners and ammonia combustion and all the other trending fuels are in our focus points. adding all the special fuels that Oilon is focusing. So Oilon is doing anything with gas and liquid fuels. So anything but 100% pure water we are able to combust easily. Whether it's a low caloric value fuel or high caloric value fuel, we have the solutions for you. So Oilon has the volume products for standardized products, but we also do tailor-made products for all kinds of markets globally. So any liquid and gaseous fuel you have, we have the solution and also references for you. Here you can see our monoblock burner family. So integrated combustion air fan for typically fire tube boilers, but also other dryers and other applications. Capacity range up to 13 megawatts. Production in 3 different facilities, and we are also stocking these products so they are available with very quick lead times. Then we have a dual block burner family with going up to 90 megawatt for all different types of industries, kilns, ovens, water tube boilers, fire tube boilers, dryers, smelters, steel industry, any process industry applications that are needed, we have the dual block solutions for those. Oilon main focus has been focusing in the LowNOx gas combustion, and this is the short history of how we have been developing our burners. 1970 we were with gas combustion over 200 milligram, and nowadays we are reaching the zero emissions. We have already delivered burners to 5 milligram NOx level, which is the world record. There is no any other company so far who has direct fired supplied these combustion systems. So we have taken big steps in the LowNOx technology, and we keep developing that into further. Our most sold unit globally is we have more than 3,000 deliveries for the ACE burner. This we have delivered from 3 megawatt up to 90 megawatt. Very good low emission and cost-effective product for different kind of applications. Either with the FGR or without the FGR, emissions are usually fulfilling all the strictest emission rules globally. We have developed different types of products recently. We have our new ACE burner. So this one was the version 1. We have sold 3,000 units, and now we have developed a second generation product to reach even lower emissions. And here you can see the difference between those two products. ACE 1 is reaching basically without FGR about 60 milligram emissions, and ACE 2 is reaching below 10 milligram emission with higher O2 levels, and with 3% O2 level we can reach about 30 milligram emissions. So really low emission levels in gas combustion world nowadays, and most of the markets that you see these strict emission regulations are China, Central Europe, and North America. Here you can see some pictures of this new developed product, which is now also in commercial use. So we are also now selling these worldwide and promoting them. All our development has been done with CFD calculations. We have our own in-house CFD calculation team, and they are developing virtually all our burners. And after we have good results from the CFD, then we will move forward in manufacturing those products. This is the newest development for the fire tube boilers, up to 5 milligram, 2.5 ppm. We have about 100 deliveries already globally to United States and China and Europe. It's lowest emission product that you can possibly find, based on premix combustion technology, but very different from other premix burners. So if you compare them to the mesh burners, it's a very different type of technology. You don't need air filters. The combustion head warranty period is the same time as any other burner, which is very different from the mesh burners, and the lifetime expectancy is same as any other gas burner. O2 level is conservatively low compared to the mesh burners, so also the efficiency of the burner is much greater than any other ultra low NOx technology. At the moment, we have patented this globally in USA, Europe, and Asia. We have 4 different products for the LN30 family for ultra low NOx, and they can be purchased from all of our factories. We have plenty of references for this LN30 product going up to 5 to 10 milligram. We have delivered to China. We have all the references and test reports that we can share with customers that you might be facing. We have also delivered to Fulton boilers in China. You can see the flame here. It's completely different to any other gas combustion flame that you typically see. If you compare the burners that you have commissioned or started up or seen from the back of the boiler, it's a completely different type of flame. We have also delivered these burners to the USA, to California, where they have the world's strictest emission rules. So we have also capabilities in complying with all the UL standards. This is basically the world record-breaking emissions. We reached 4 milligram emission limits in NOx in United States, and at least we have not witnessed any lower emission technology yet today. Adding a little bit about the hydrogen discussion, Oilon has a burner production so that whatever content of hydrogen you have, whether it's 20% content, 70% content, or 100% content, we have ready solutions for those. You just have to adjust sometimes the gas train, sometimes the automation based on the content of the hydrogen. But we have experiences on 100% hydrogen, 50% hydrogen, 60% hydrogen. Here is one reference from Finland for 100% hydrogen levels. Then we have done some steel industry, 60-70% hydrogen content with natural gas. And then we have done also a lot of different kind of applications all around the world for the similar 64%, 70% hydrogen levels. So just to summarize, the hydrogen part is that if you have any needs on any content of hydrogen, you can come to Oilon and we have the solutions for you. Depending on what kind of hydrogen level you have, we will adjust the solution and the automation. Town gas deliveries, we have delivered more than 100 to different parts of Asia with the 40 and 70% hydrogen content to fire tube boilers. We also focus on renewable oils, so there is a lot of discussions now about different types of renewable oils, biofuels. We have a full-scale laboratory focusing just on renewable and biofuels, both gas and liquids. We have a lot of companies sending us samples of different types of biofuels, and we are then testing them and informing them what type of combustion and energy consumption we have in those and what kind of heating values we are able to get out of those. That was the burner part. If you just want to summarize, the burner part is that any gaseous, any liquid fuels, we have the solution for you. We have 3 factories, so we have also really cost-efficient solution and quick deliveries. And we have also not only for the regular gas combustion, but also for different types of emission needs. Second product line we have is the industrial heat pumps. I will just very shortly today discuss about those, but that is something that will reorganize the heating for the hot water, is that you are able to bring 100 and 120 degrees hot water with heat pump systems. So that is something very interesting to increase the efficiency also for the boilers. We are recovering the flue gases from the boilers and then recovering the heat from the flue gas and increasing the temperature on the water and increasing the efficiency on the boiler side. So, and you are also simultaneously able to provide cooling. So if you are now visiting your customers on the heating purposes, you can also provide the cooling side for the same customer and increase the efficiency and lesser the fuel consumption that they have in their boilers. So heat pumps are a very nice addition together with boilers and burners. Typical industries for the heat pumps are large real estate, process industries, and district heating networks. So in Finland, for example, every single dairy company and every single slaughterhouse meat process company has industrial heat pumps from Oilon, and they are savings just for one dairy factory can be 300,000-400,000 euros per year, depending on the consumption they have for the hot water. So just to keep in mind that it's a really, really important tool to increase the efficiency and get the processes flowing cheaper with your process customers in food and beverage industry, for example. Oilon just this year won the European #1 heat pump reward in the European Heat Pump Association. So we have also providing different types of solutions. This specific solution was utilizing ground source. It was utilizing the building waste heat, but also it was recovering the cooling water and cooling air from the air conditioning of the building. So heat pumps have a lot of multiple use purposes, and only your imagination is basically limiting that where do you want to use them and what kind of processes customers have to utilize it. So that is just something to keep in mind regarding the heat pumps. So just a few words about Oilon in general is to wrap it up is that we are very innovative company. We put more than 6% of our turnover to R&D. So we are constantly manufacturing new burners, new heat pumps, different types of fuels, different types of automation system. We have this year invested 4 million euros to redesign and modularize our whole burner family. So we will also redesign our whole combustion system to be modularized and easier to customers to build their own solutions and being more flexible on the burner end. So if you want to have a reliable, cost-effective partner who has one-stop shop with smoke burners and high-capacity burners and heat pumps for certain industries, then we would be a good partner for you. That is a small wrap-up for the day about Oilon Company, and if you have any questions, please let me know. But generally, I know that everybody is already waiting to get home, so I thank you for today. Thank you.